Hey everybody, sorry I'm late. Sorry. But, you know, had to deal with some business. As usual. But no, I'm here, but we didn't miss anything yet, so good morning, Naz. Let's see what's going on. All right. Gold seems like went higher a little bit. I was watching the Nasdaq too, but made equal highs up there. Quite interesting though. We still have 904 in place. Donkaiv, hey, what's going on? So let's see. Are we gonna go for that level or not? One thing though, we had a 15-minute fair value gap here. Price traded through it. Didn't go higher, but now we're below that gap. Seems like this one might go lower. But if I look at the 1-hour chart on Nasdaq, it seems like that it has shifted down during the London session and even went lower. Took out previous day low. Let me delete this gap. It's confusing, I know. Went lower, then went back to take liquidity from this 1-hour fair value gap, right? So it's almost like a sell model. It took liquidity and then going lower again. But if you look to the left, look at the sell side. The 904 just got more interesting. Bobon's back, hey there. Can go up to 65. I think it can. It has the possibility, but the question remains, is it going to go down first? Because if you look to the left on the 1-hour chart, look at this. We have a bullish order block. This. So that's a very strong and a beautiful bullish order block. Now these order blocks are meant to be broken. That's what I say. Good afternoon. Hey, Spy Girl. It was all right. Everything was great. I had some good lunch. And now I'm back. So made a few bucks, but I was just scalping on the funded accounts. Nothing special. So no official trade yet. I was a little bit confused. So again, let's look at the 1-hour Nasdaq. We have this beautiful order block, bullish. We are very close. Actually, yesterday, price went into the order block 2 times. First, boom, got rejected. Second time, boom, rejected. But to me, on the 1-hour, it seems like that it's, you know, it wants to go through on the 1-hour. Maybe after this, you know, 1-hour move, maybe it will find support and then go back to the 65s, or maybe back to the 4-hour mid-level, because it's Friday, you know, guys and gals. So how about the open and the news at 9:45? So let's see the news. Flash manufacturing PMI. It's not that important. I know it's a red folder news. But the flash manufacturing PMI is actually a survey, right? There you go. It's a survey. So it's basically a survey that has been taken from 800 managers. So 800 people are filling out a survey. What do you think, how the market, and these are managers, do you think really the market is going to care about what these managers are saying? Yeah, somewhat, yes, but it's basically not a strong number. I wouldn't say that this is such a strong number. I think it's not. The market doesn't really care about what these individuals are saying. The only individual who care about the market is Jerome Powell right now. So I don't know. Right now, gold is going high. Anyway, let's go back here. So yeah, it might move it. Yeah, market didn't move, but there's one more release at 10 Is it gonna be 10? No, 10. 9:45. 9:45 is going to be the release. 9:45 Eastern Standard Time. So I don't think that this number is going to. There was another number. It was Canadian news right now. But the US flash manufacturing PMI, I wouldn't put this as a red folder news. I think it doesn't really matter. So it's not a strong movement. I would not expect anything special from this. I think the market won't care about this. After the open, the market is going to wait for 10 a.m. For the news and then for the 10 a.m. session, but who knows? So I think if we just look at pure price action, I see this as a possible bullish scenario. The only question remains, is it going to go down and sweep this liquidity, take out this order block and then go up? Or it can potentially go higher. So both cases, I can imagine a potential bullish run. To the downside, I don't think so because it's Friday. We have relative vehicle lows down there. Right now at this moment, I'm not sold to these levels just yet. If there would be a strong move, then maybe. But otherwise, I'm still bullish. I mean, I would just say I'm looking for some bullish entries. But it could be, you know, I'm long since morning with 1 micro without a stop loss. Oh, from 53. You're long from 53 with 1 micro. Okay, so you were down in about $200 drawdown down here. Now you should be back to around the $100 drawdown, I'm guessing. That's manageable even on a 50K evaluation or funded account. Sorry, 2,500. Come on, man, I can't speak. $25,000 evaluation account or funded account. So I would say that with 1 micro, you're still okay. But why don't you use a stop loss? I mean, if you entered here, and when it got down here, it took out the low. I don't know. I don't want to say your strategy because it's your strategy. It's your trading model. You should decide what to do. But I would have gone out from the trade here. Anyway, it's your decision. It's your risk management style. But I think we have a good chance to go back up there. If we go back, we should be targeting the 150, 160. It's Friday. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. 160, 150. It's Friday. You know, guys, it's we're saying thank God it's Friday. So the thank God it's Friday, it's usually a rally. And that's why I don't know what to expect right now. So if you got through this drawdown, I say you can stick to it for a little bit more, but this is not financial advice or anything. If I were you, I would have closed it. But, you know, it's holding very nicely, very good. And it's Friday. Fridays are always rally. Well, 8 out of 10 times are rally. Can you spread on GC by executing a trade, a spread? I don't really want to execute a trade, but let me see. Do I have an account where I can execute? Hold on. What? Seems like I lost connection. What the hell happened? No data. That's interesting. I'm connected. I have no data for Apex. I have data. Sorry guys, just a second. Interesting. Hold on, I just have to restart my quant tower. I'm restarting it. Sorry. Just a minute. My quant tower had issues. By the way, make sure to restart your quant tower before the New York session. It can make wonders. In a positive way. So, while I wait for quant tower, then Arsenal, hey, under 1 minute. I think I just have price line set up there, but I'm gonna. All right, I'm still logging back. So the 15 minute, as I said, this gap was holding. And now we're back into this gap on the 15 minute on Nasdaq. Quite interesting. Feels bullish to me. The whole thing feels very, very bullish. At this particular moment, I'm not saying it's not gonna go down, but at this particular moment, it definitely feels bullish. All right. Still waiting. All right, this is Apex. I want to make sure if positions, show price line, show price scale marker, show price label, positions, okay, orders, price label, trades. Take profit, stop loss, positions, colors, price label, front color. Where is the bid and the ask line? Data style, body color, no. View. Price horizontal, okay. Oh no, that's the grid. I don't want to see the grid. Show volume analysis, show confirm. Anyway, I only have the price line here. I don't think you're going to be able to see too much about this. Let's go to micro Nasdaq. Data is loading. Jesus. There you go. Let's go down to 1 minute. Data is loading. Seems like it's very slow somehow. It's loading. So while it's loading, I'm gonna check the charts here real quick. NQ seems like it's moving higher. Beautiful. I might even look for a long position. How about that? All right, so here it is. Micro Nasdaq. I'm gonna take 1 micro. All right. Market order. So get ready. 3, 2, 1. There. I don't know if that tells you anything. I told you there's like, you don't see really the spread. The spread is like 1 tick or 2 ticks. This is on an evaluation account with Apex. Anyway, let's close it down. So I don't know how to show you exactly. It did show. Good morning. 0.26. That's 1 tick. That's 1 tick. 1 tick is nothing. It's absolutely like almost 0. That's why I like futures, because there's practically almost 0 spread because it's regulated market. And Forex prop firms will give you like 10 points and whatever. The spread is going to be so high, it's going to mess you up. That's why I'm going to look into the Fivers Forex prop firm, because nowadays Fivers are saying that they're giving you 0 spread. Now that's interesting, 0 spread on a CFD prop firm. Of course, it's not valid because you're not getting 0 spread on a CFD Forex broker, but they give you 0. When I execute trade, it does not even take profit after crossing take profit. Oh, really? Interesting. Anyway, we were talking about gold as well, and I said that we might have a chance to go for that 1 hour, 4 hour order block. I still stand by that statement. We had gold going up there. We had some market structure shift here. Not the perfect trade entries, that's for sure. Now it's going lower. So but Nasdaq is going higher. On Forex only? Alright, I didn't know that. Thank you, our trader. That's good to know, because I was wondering if I should look into the Fivers with CFDs. Actually, I sent them a message, but I don't have a reply from them. I was asking. Somebody said for CFDs too, but I highly doubt that. How do you spell the firm with 0 spreads? And Rotable, I don't know. I don't know. Scam? No, I don't know. The Fivers. Fivers, sorry. Oh, yeah. Fivers, yeah. I thought you were just joking. Let me show you. It was the Fivers. The Fivers. This is their website, thefivers.com, and they were offering 0 spread. The Fivers, yes, 0 spread. Check out their website, the Fivers. But they are a Forex prop firm. They're not futures. You're welcome. They are based in Israel, I think. But they are in the business since quite a few years. So they're really doing business since quite a few years. They have some restrictions as well. The policies are different than, a little bit different than FTMO. And I think that's what keeps them in business. They have a steady cash flow as well. So on Trustpilot and everywhere, pretty much everybody's satisfied with them. And they are in the business since almost like FTMO, since quite a while. Komodo. Hey, Dragon Trace. Oh, it's been a while. Jesus. Where have you been? Ho ho ho. It's been forever. Forex and futures, basically the spread. I mean, if you're trading index futures, for example, Nasdaq, you will find Nasdaq at the CFD Forex, I mean at the Forex prop firm too. It's going to be called NAS 100 or US 100. This is, for example, NAS 100. The chart is technically the same. So this is NAS 100 and this is NQ. You see? The chart is exactly the same. So you can trade Nasdaq at the Forex prop firm too, but the difference is the spread. The spread is so high, you're not going to be able to trade on the lower time frames. Or if they don't have spread, the commission is going to be so high, you're going to get effed. So, and the spreads are usually, they are messing around with the price. They are manipulating the price. They are wicking you out from positions. Forex prop firms are definitely made, most of them, to mess up with the data and everything. I know FTMO is still there. FTMO has other businesses too. I don't know what it's called at the Fivers. Some prop firms in Forex call it US 100. Some call it US Tech. Some call it NAS 100. Some call it N100, some call it... So these are fantasy names. Every broker has a fantasy name from Nasdaq, for Nasdaq. Why? Because it's their own data feed. They are generating the data, basically. So they have fantasy names. But I think you can find it. It's easy. Yeah, 300 for 60K, but there's no activation fee. No monthly fee. It's not a monthly fee, only a one-time fee. So nothing else. And two-step, yes. They have a one-step program too, I think. Or something like that. I think they have something of a one-step-ish or instant funding program. Hey guys, back in the days, I was also doing two-step programs on Forex. Now that's hard. That's hard. Oh, there you go. Air Trader, thank you. So NAS 100 at Fivers, spread gets to 0.1 pick per market opens. With activation in TopStep, you have to pay 200. Yes, exactly. But there's no trailing stop with Forex prop firms. It's a static account, technically. You can withdraw profits basically much easier once you get the funded account. I mean, not that easy, but it's a little bit more simpler process. I think the bears will take it down at least before taking off. I don't know. At this point, I don't know. As we approach to market open, man, I don't know. You're back to a very small drawdown. If I were you, I would consider closing the trade before the market open, because it can also dump down super easy. So you made it through all this crap. You got the trade back. I think you entered around 50 something. You should be in around $60 drawdown, 50 something, $60. I think that's manageable. I would consider to close it if I were you. And wait for market open and maybe find a better position. But hey, it's your decisions if you want to stick with it. Absolutely. 14 days. BuleNoX reset the account. Yes, only resets when the account is blown. So Mark, if you're down, if you're like, for example, 1 or 2 days away from rebuilding your account and you're in a drawdown, what I would do is just YOLO it, so full port. If you see an opportunity, try to do it. If it doesn't work out, make sure to blow the account until the reset day, because I don't know if they reset it even with the smallest drawdown. So for example, if you're in drawdown negative $500, and you get rebuild. I don't know if they're going to reset you. I'm not sure if they're going to reset you with a slight drawdown. So I always make sure, if I'm very close to the reset day, whichever prop firms I use, I make sure to blow the account. I mean, not deliberately. I try to make a very good trade. But if it doesn't work out, I just blow the account because it's going to reset anyway. Just gotta make sure to have it blown. Anyway, segue, just waiting. Still looking at that 1 hour/4 hour order block on gold. So let's go and continue with the analysis. Nasdaq traded lower than the 15-minute gap, then went above again, created almost like a relative equal high up there. I feel like we're gonna go above 45. This level is holding. I'm not watching the 1 minute currently, but so far it would be logical for price to go higher. I look at the 15-minute. We have a swing high here. I like this top right there, London high. I do like that. Looks good. Looks juicy for price to go higher and take it out. Do like that. On gold, I don't see anything. Visible ID. Hey, a friend told me that he spent his last 60K in a year with FTMO. Visible ID. Before that, he had used all of his retirement. Jesus. Oh my God. All right, let me tell you a story. Last year, I would not say a friend of mine, but I know someone in person here in my country who did the same thing. He started to trade in last year, January or February at FTMO. He spent around $60,000, almost the same, $60,000 on challenges. There was one day when he got tilted. In one day, he spent around $12,000 on challenge accounts at FTMO. So one single day from his credit card, he spent $12,000. He had to call his bank to let him spend the money. $12,000 on one single day on Forex challenge account, but he always bought the biggest one. He always went for the 200K account, so that cost like $600 or $800, something like that, because he want to make big money, right? So one single day he spent $12,000. Nice tilt, yes. Prasad, hey there. And he lost 60K with FTMO. He spent also about $20,000 plus with MyFundedFutures, with the biggest expert account. He was also tilted there. He spent $6,000 in one single day with MyFundedFutures on the expert. He got funded though. He got funded, yes. But the other day he lost it, the funded account. So he got funded with FTMO multiple times. He went through the phase 1, phase 2. He got emails from FTMO after he passed a few challenges that they are going to reduce his leverage to 1:30 or 1 I don't even know what, because he got the email that we noticed that you are using your trading style is gambling, blah blah blah. So reduced his they reduced his leverage to 1:30 ish something. And anyway, successful career in prop trading. So overall about $80,000 spent on evaluation and challenge accounts in a year. He had some pauses there and then he started again. Now that is, you know, I think we will hit low before going back. Yeah, could be. That's why I'm just waiting here. I'm just waiting. He wanted big money. He was up 20K. Dude, it's the same. It's the same visible ID. It's the same. This guy also, hey Scar, also had the same thing going on. He said, no, Tom. I told him, hey, listen, you should go with the smaller account, use a cheaper firm because you're new in this, you know. And he said, no, Tom, you know, I know the markets. I know everything about the markets. And I don't need to make $1,000. That's for like babies. I don't want to make $1,000. Maybe, you know, I don't want to make baby money. I need to make $20,000 per day. I said, listen, you know, it's a little bit, you know, mathematically it's possible, but it's not going to happen. You should buy the lottery. No. I want to make $20,000 a day. So anyway, he was up on the FTMO account almost just as your case, nearly $20,000, and he lost it. All he had to do is just put the account away and wait for the payout. What do you think he did? He pushed the button, he kept going, and he blew the account. That's it. And that's the case when I say trading is not for you. You have a problem, you have an issue that you cannot control, so you should be stopping. You gotta know your boundaries. And that money was all his savings. Well, almost not all, but he had money. He has actually a company, running a company, but he wiped out a lot of money from his company's savings account, his personal account, all for nothing. I didn't know what to say to him because at that point I told him, listen, next time you want to spend $1,000 on challenge accounts, just give it to me and I will sit next to you and we will do an account together. But he just kept throwing money into FTMO. Which ones from your links give a funded with end of day? End of day drawdown is from MyFundedFutures. Buleanox option 2 accounts, so not the option 1, option 2 accounts. So if you want option 2, use the code TOMSABO2. TOMSABO1 is for option 1 accounts too, only. So MyFundedFutures, TOPSTEP, Take Profit Trader 2, but only on the evaluation phase. If I would have to choose between MyFundedFutures and TOPSTEP, I would go with MyFundedFutures, maybe the starter account if money is not the biggest issue. But at TOPSTEP, if you use my link, you can get a 20% discount if you sign up for a new account. So you can get a 50K account for $40. The Buleanox 50K end of day trading account is $52. Otherwise, TOPSTEP is $50 as well. MyFundedFutures starter account. Right now, there's no sale. There's only a 5% discount, so it's $95. So the expert account is $132. And it includes the activation fee as well. Take Profit Trader, $102, but it also includes the activation fee, but there's intraday trading on the funded account. So I would go with MyFundedFutures or TOPSTEP or Buleanox if end of day trading is important. What is happening? Yeah, of course they're alive. I think they are technically, they could be one of the best, maybe the best. So I really hope that they will keep growing. Look at this. What is happening with gold? Is it just gonna go down? It seems like it's breaking lower. Looks like gold just wants to go lower. How is that even possible? I thought we were gonna go higher. I was so much bullish biased on this. It's 52, I think. If you use option 2 and type in TOMSABO2, it should give it for 70% discount. So it should be around $52, I think. If you use the code TOPSTEP2, just choose option 2 account and use TOPSTEP2 for the code. And that is 70% right now, which means 30% of $175 should be $52. Oh, my Forex fund. There, of course. Still, also, my Forex fund could be going on. We whoop, YX. We whoop, we whoop. Let me see Nasdaq. Oh, sorry. Here's Nasdaq. We're stuck here at this level. I think it's gonna stay like this until the open. Nike, hey, TOPSTEP liquidated my funded account. What? Last year, December, I was up. What the hell happened? My country was ineligible. Which country is yours? Nike. Which country is that? This year, TOPSTEP says my country. Is that South Africa? Botswana. That is such a mess up. Dude, oh, I'm sorry about that. That must have hit hard, man. No, I don't use that channel. I can't even say it. Don't change channel. I heard about it. I don't use it. Oh, man. They should not just... Yeah. At least, did they refund your activation fee? They should have just refunded your activation fee. Or the combine account fee or whatever. Dude, that's bad. Sorry to hear that. Oh, man. Look at that. Gold is just going down. I'm actually tempted to go short on gold. Take out this bullish order block here. Let me see. I might even look into a short on gold. How about that? Risk to reward is good. Yeah, absolutely. It's looking good. The problem is the market open, but it should not be an issue for gold. I'm gonna put an alert here just to make sure I'm not missing the action. Oh, look at Nasdaq. Keeps going lower. That's where take profit traders should remove trading drawdown. Yeah, they should, or at least, yeah. Just leave it at end of day, because the one thing you have to be careful at take profit trader. Otherwise, the payout policy is awesome. Is if you break the daily drawdown limit, that's a hard breach. You blown your account. So be careful with that. If you break the daily drawdown limit, then it's over. Then it's over. So if I'm looking for longs, there's probably a gap down. Maybe it will be long. Yeah, it could be. Let me see. Let me zoom it out. There is actually a structure shift, by the way, here. Just look at it. It's inside this 15-minute gap. But... oh, wow. This was gold. What was this? GC. Yeah, it was actually gold. Should I take this short on gold? It's actually breaking lower. The 15-minute also broke lower. Swept the high. Could be looking good, you know. 76 with 4. Let me check it. Let me check it. Let me check it on Quant Tower. All right, I put a limit order at 76, just in case, you know. Let's see. There's a drawdown limit. Which company? Not Buleanox. Take Profit Trader. The daily drawdown limit. If you break it, the daily drawdown, which is I think $1,000 or $1,100, I think, then the account is blown. So gotta watch out for that. The daily drawdown limit is a hard breach if you break it at Take Profit Trader. I knew I had a stress ball somewhere. Where is it? Ah, there it is. My stress ball. It says Dunder Mifflin Paper Company. I brought this from New York. All right, I'm gonna let you guys know if I will be tagged into the gold trade. Looking for a 78.5, 78.4, 71.2. Yeah, that would be a good target. Almost into the trade. Not super happy about this, but you know, I'm only risking $100 on this one, so why not? All right, I got tagged into the trade. 78.4. 78.4 is the stop. I'm in the trade. Gold short. Rarely do this. 71.2 would be the target. 71.2. It's a risky one, but only $100, so I'm fine with it. If it goes against me, well, it goes against me. Let me link it together. All right, fine. You're long on gold. All right. Hey there. What's going on? The celebrities here, guys. The celebrity. Methodical Man joined the stream. What's happening, Methodical Man? The celebrity. Who? I don't know. This guy calls himself Methodical Man. He sits in a chair, makes millions of dollars every week. That's what he does. He is the only celebrity here. Yeah, I think we should ban him, right? He's the only person who is a moderator in my stream. He's a mod. MGC. Yeah, so this is the trade. Let me delete all these arrows. It actually disturbs me. There you go. What? All right, better. Not really the best trade. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Only 4 micros, right? What else do we have? Good morning, the man. Hey, we meet again with Methodical Man. Yeah, stop saying you the man. You the man. So subscribe, and I say you the man. You know, you the man. Damn it, gold. This is not what we agreed upon. I don't care. It's still a good day. I still think that NQ is actually going to take out these highs at 43. So what's happening? Such a bad boy I am. I am a bad boy. I'm bad. My target is 20 what? 2363. Well, we'll see. I just, you know, we shifted on the 15-minute, no fair value gap, but still, well, it can go higher. My stop loss is not at an ideal place because there's a gap up there too. It would be great to see gold try one more move to the downside. Swept liquidity, shifted on the 15-minute, shifted on the 5-minute. Why not go down a little bit more, make a seek and destroy pattern for the day? I can imagine that happening. But if not, that's cool too. Appreciate what the market gives us. The market giveth, the market take it away. NQ going higher. Using 1 minute. There's a fair value on the... I know. That's what disturbs me actually. There's a fair value gap up there. A little bit disturbing, I gotta say. I don't like the idea. Anyway, oops, tried my best. I'm just executing my edge, you know. I'm doing what Mark Douglas said. That's all. Using a 1 minute. I don't want to go to the 1 minute right now. I just can't. I don't have it in me. Let me delete all these levels. Unnecessary. You can leave the Asia low. I'll look at that. It's gonna move higher. I mean Nasdaq, which is good. Gonna drag gold with it, maybe. Oh no, gold just went up there. I should close it while I can. While I still can. I don't understand what is the problem here. Bum, 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 bum. Damn it, gold. This is not what we talked about. You don't want to go 1 minute. I know, I'm not gonna go the 1 minute, that's for sure. Trading in the same direction, no entry. Yes. Target achieved. Nice. Gold bouncing up daily open price. Anyway, wasn't looking that good. Just give me one more good trade. I mean, at least one good trade, please, gold. GC will go down. Who knows? Yeah. Doesn't seem like it. The problem is with the 15-minute time frame. We have fair value gap up there. If I put a fib tool on the 15-minute, yeah, damn it, we have a problem. But then I would have to extend my stop loss, and that's something I really don't want to. My entry model is on the 5-minute, so I'm gonna go with the edge on the 5-minute. And this is it. If this was, I mean, it shifted here, not a perfect, but it did. I wanted to see it take out the order block. That was the goal. No, you didn't. Maybe I was the one who missed the train. Anyway, let's wait. Until we wait, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. And if you could support, please use my links and codes. So I'll be here in full time, able to stream with you guys. Thank you so much. By the way, today is the last day for Buleanox 90%. It expires last day. They're not going to continue, at least not until Monday, or we don't know what's going to happen. But the 90% code with TOPSTEP 1 for option 1 accounts is expiring today. So make sure to use it while you can if you want cheap upfront costs. Just saying. Also Apex $40 for every big account. 150k, 250, 300k. $85 activation fee until the middle of August. Still waiting. What is the benefit of Buleanox over TOPSTEP? The option 2 accounts is the same as TOPSTEP, but the benefit is that with TOPSTEP you get $2,000 drawdown overall. With Buleanox you get $2,500 drawdown. That's it. That's the main difference. It has daily stop out level of $1,100. With TOPSTEP you get it for $1,000. But end of day trailing drawdown, which is good. So basically a little bit better, but it's $52 at Buleanox for the option 2 account. It's basically the copycat of TOPSTEP with a little bit better conditions. And that's why I think Buleanox also, as Methodical Man said, Buleanox can be one of the best ones. If you look for option 2 accounts, you can use the TOPSTEP 2 code. It gives you the 70% discount. And it's $52. Activation fee is $148 on the 50k, so $1 cheaper than TOPSTEP. Slightly better. No, I didn't. I'm still in it, I think. I'm still in the gold trade. Let me show you. I think here it is. I'm still in gold. Still in the gold. Still in the gold. Oops. I don't know if we're gonna make it down, but the good thing on gold is that my take profit is in the middle of a fair value gap down there. So who knows? Maybe we will get it. I don't know. It's a 1 to 2 risk to reward. No, YX. Why? All right. problem there. I forgive you, you know. I'm gonna forgive you just as Homelander did in the latest part of the Boys series. I forgive you. I'll be strong. I'll be strong. Somebody, I'm begging you, someone, use my code. Now I'm gonna be super strong, Viox. I can make it. I can make it through. I'm gonna make it through. It's, you know, it's not over yet. But you know what I'm gonna do? I just sold 3 contracts, so I'm going to modify it. There you go. Putting it to break even. There. I'm going to tell you why I did this. You're not going to like the answer, but I'm going to give you. This trade has been taken on 3 funded accounts. 3 funded accounts, guys. Here you go. I took this trade on a BULENOX funded account, another BULENOX funded account, and an Apex funded account. So I sold 3 micros already. I still have 32 dollars on this one each, still open. So this trade has been made, as you can see, master account, PA account. So hopefully it will go for it. Come on, gold, just one more push. I might have to trail it. I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna trail it. There, I trailed it. Not too much, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I want to make sure I make some profits, just in case if it would go back. Don't forget we are before the market open, so this one can just go back up there. If it does, I'm happy because I closed down majority of the position. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. BULENOX has trailing drawdown, yes. Option 1 account. I mean intraday, the option 1 accounts. So option 2, no intraday trailing drawdown. Yes, exactly. Come on. Let's go. I need this victory. Even if it takes me out, I'm gonna make some profits on this one. It's playing dirty, I think. Should be going inside that gap. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We need money. We need to make money. Come on, we need that money. All right, finally. Reach, take profit. Yes. All right. So here's today's result on the funded accounts. It's enough for me, you know. I'm going to show you the funded accounts, okay? I mean, not all of them, but the ones that I took the trade on. So today I made 200 on this funded account at BULENOX. This is the other funded account. Also BULENOX. And I have a new Apex account I'm starting to build up. Also funded account. 200 bucks. So today 600 bucks on funded accounts that I'm copy trading. I am perfectly okay with this. I'm going to continue to trade on evaluation accounts today. So this is where I stop, and this is why I don't really care about consistency rule. Because if I make $200 or $300 a day on a funded account, I just leave it. That's it. I don't care about consistency rule. It's enough, you know. If you can make $200 on a day with 3 funded accounts, you don't even need 10 or 20. Imagine if you can reach payouts. Once you get your first payout, you reach your threshold. You just have to aim for $1,000 every month. Nice trade, yeah. This was a good one. I have to update the stats. Trade stats. Come on. Win. 23. Ratio. Yeah, I thought so. All right, it's better. Yeah, 58%. Not almost, but almost 58. Yeah. So that's good. Above 1.5, the risk to reward ratio, try to keep it above 1.5. And with that equation, you actually can make money. I might keep looking to open position. That I'm definitely for evaluation accounts on the next available position. This gold trade, I really needed this. I really, really needed this. Because I was frustrated a little bit after yesterday. So gold now took out this low. We just have to wait, and we're definitely waiting for Nasdaq. Let me get back to Nasdaq. Let me go down to 1 minute. Come on, it's somehow it's so slow right now again. All right, this will do. So this is 1 minute Nasdaq, just to see how the candles are printing at the open. All right, just for visual purposes. Remove 2500 from it for option 2. Yeah, by the way, MyFundedFutures doesn't have daily drawdown limit, just saying. You can use all your available margin to trade, which is a good thing. I think so. All right, market opens up right now. Let's see. Market is open. It's dumping. Looks like a dumpage. Okay. Looking at the 5 minute too. It actually broke structure, the 5 minute, swept liquidity on the upside. I would say that we can go for the 904 if this one is going to hold the gap on the 5 minute chart. Nothing special right now. What platform do you trade? I trade Quantower. But it's because I copy trade between multiple accounts. For example, end of day, your equity 55,000, your limit next day is, yeah. Black Beauty Machine is laughing at me. All right. but we love her. We know she's caring about us. All right. Make no love with me. I was made for... Okay. Back to the 5-minute. Gold dumping. Should have stayed in the trade, but that one's in the past now. Yeah, we're looking at NQ. Nice shift to the downside. Still gonna wait for the 5-minute. Where's the Friday rally, guys? What is happening? Where are we going? This is where we're going. 904. If this one is going to stay like this. Short paying. I said it in chat. Oh yeah. I think you called it earlier. Yes. Dude, what is happening here? It's like faking out or what? I don't know. What is going on? Is it gonna push higher? Okay. Wow. Is this gonna be a push? Took a risky long. Yeah. You told this. VUZHX. Absolutely. I remember. That's why I'm measuring the optimal trade entry down here. Like, what is happening? I don't know if I should take it on the evaluation account. Maybe with 2 micros. I don't know. Still hesitating. Could be going. But I'm not taking it. Not yet, at least. Where could this go? I wonder. All right. Nothing here. Gold is down there. If I hesitate, I will miss out. That's true. I don't really want to hesitate. I was just wondering if there's a better entry. Oh, man. There was a market structure shift here at 07. Now this is repricing here. It's watching. We got lower, so high risk short. Yeah, it is. It is. One thing's for sure, I would not take this trade on a funded account. Not that it's Friday, but, you know, too much consolidation up here. So that makes it a little bit harder for price to push this area. I think for price, it would be easier to just drop down first, but that doesn't necessarily mean it can't go higher. We are around optimal trade entry. What is gold doing? Gold actually reached that sell side liquidity level. The thing is that this is not an A+ entry up there. I don't really like it. So I don't know. Yeah, that's why it's going down. It's going down. Look at that. Okay. But it was not a valid short opportunity. Let's see. Jeho, slam it. Jeho, what do you think? Oh, you said short, right? You said short. You're sure Buleanox has trade? Yeah, Buleanox don't have trader weight. Sorry, only rhythmic for now. I pray for the TP before my TP 979. Yeah, could go down. Structure shift maybe. It can go down. I think so as well. I mean, also checking. I mean, I'm not in a trade. Sorry, I delete this. I'm not in a trade. I'm, you know, I was watching this, like, this went down here. Look at that. We're just hovering. I'm checking the 5 minute. I'm checking the 1 minute constantly. I really don't like this price action. This is just a little bit crappy here, to be honest. Let's see if it wants to take the lows. But at this point, I'm not sure. Look at that. It might go up. Out your shorts. Nice. You're going to try long? All right. Let's go, JO. Yeah, it could go. We still have those levels up there, like relative equal highs. Look at this. At 45-ish. Seems like it failed to take those. Gold is still going down. Don't know what. There's going to be news in about how much? In about a few minutes. It could be bearish for the market. Less than 3 minutes news, right? So let's wait that out. 2 minutes. Bullish day. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Could be. Yeah, it seems bearish. I'm watching how these candles are printing, watching what we can do with this, but it definitely looks a little bit bearish to me as well at this moment. I wonder what the news are gonna do here. Is this gonna try to make a new low, or I don't know. Anyway, on the evaluation account, I scalped $180, but I can't do more. I have to wait for the news. Yeah, nice. It's going down. So how much time? Less than 1 minute until news. Be sharp. Be on the lookout. Out of your short. Boom, TP hit. Big G. Congrats. I can't keep my positions during the news. Too difficult for my mind. Yeah, that's the same way I am with this. As we wait for another 10 a.m. PA. All right. We just wait. What's that? What's that emoji? Is that a penguin? I'm not gonna dance in a penguin suit now, Lloyd. All right. News in 15 seconds. What I think, it should not be that big of a deal, but let's look at it. I told you guys, I don't think that this news is gonna hit that hard. 1 second. There. Here's the news. See? You thought we were gonna have like 50-point spike instantly, but we're not. We're not having that. So that's why I said, yes, this is a red folder news, but the market doesn't really care about it all that much. This is just a survey. All right, so nothing happened. Gold went down. Wow, what is gold doing? I was so bullish during the day. That's why I said it doesn't matter if you have a daily bias or not. If it's shifting, you're going to go look for the other side. In this case, let's see, what do we have down here? Bullish order block down there, ready to be taken out at 54. No entry on me. Breaking through that gap. Bullish order block also down there at 53 on the 1 hour. Also on the 15 minute. It should be going down there on gold. NQ, nothing special. I don't see anything special on NQ here. What do you guys think? I'm waiting for JHO. I'm not doing anything without JHO. Dude, can I share with this? JHO just sent a Discord message to me. I'm gonna share it. I don't care what you say. Look at this guy. Boom. This guy is just killing it. Look at how clean everything. Your charts looks like from Blade Runner 2049 or something, but I like it. This is awesome. I like that. Beautiful trade. Short played, yeah, that's what matters. As long as you made profit, nobody cares. Congrats. Oh yeah, totally forgot. We have a 1 hour order block down there waiting to be broken, so that's why it's also important, the 904 level. So if I would see a displacement with the gap, I'm down, but I think the 904 is pretty much in the cards. Oh yeah, sure. I forgot to send you a mail. Where are you? Totally forgot about you. Okay. Check your email. Totally forgot to activate your membership. All right, let's see what is going on. There's a juicy gap on daily on MNQ around 800. I would be glad to see the 904 if I would have an entry, but I don't see any entry. What is going on? Look at gold. Down there, but still, I don't know what the heck is it gonna do. If I check the 1 hour, the 1 hour swing, just at optimal trade entry. Could this be a possible reversal on the 1 hour to go long? I'm gonna be waiting for a structure shift on gold. Let's wait for a structure shift. Those equal highs looking juicy before the plunge to 904. Oh yeah. That is true actually, Lloyd. Look at this. I like that area. That's looking very good. I do like that. I think this is what you refer to. Inside, top, center. Relative equal highs. That looks juicy on NQ. Let's go. Come on, it's Sir Burnson. I sent you an email. Check it. We're going for 904. Jesus, look at that. It's gonna take it out. It's out of the question. Honestly, I was looking. I was trying to go short. It should go down, right? I mean, if it doesn't go down, I'm gonna blame Jeho. I'm not in anything. I'm just I was just really looking for this to go and take out that level. Let me see if I have anything else. Are we gonna see that 904 level? Let me know. Oh, sorry then. Just give me a second. Let me do it again. Are we going down? Let me know if we reach that level. I'm wondering. All right. Check out the next email I sent you. Listen another way. Listen another way. Ha! It's not taking it. It's not taking it. By the time I finish typing it, it will be at 904. Okay, right now we're still a little bit above the 904. I think the whole market wants that 904 right now. It's impressive that we were talked about it so many times. I'm not saying it's... do you guys think it's a guarantee? Jeho, I need your guarantee on this one. I need your personalized guarantee. I shorted on an evaluation account. But this is not my entry model. I'm not going to take it. This is a YOLO trade. This is not my entry model. I'm not going to count this trade. This is just for another BULENOX evaluation account. This is not counted as my usual trade entry. I'm just YOLOing it to pass the account, all right? So if I lose this, it's going to be on Jeho. All right, I don't know what the hell is going on. Sorry. Just a second. I just created a new one. Let me send it to you. I'm sorry about the technical issues there. I just created a new one. This should be working. All right, sending it right now. I extended the created a new link, and the expiration anyway. Oh, look at that. We're back to the 30s. Back to the 30s. Do you guys want to see some action? I'm YOLOing a Buleanox account. And it's all on JHO. I'm gonna put some pressure on the guy because he's too good. All right. Still loading. All right, I'll let you know when this one is updating because I have no stop loss on the trade, by the way. So this not counts. All right. I don't know what the hell is going on here. I just don't know. We call that pullback. Yeah. Look at that. I'm in such a huge drawdown. Jesus. This is gonna take me out. Account is almost blown here. This is not what I wanted to see. I'm gonna blow this account. I have another one. It's fine. It is what it is. We put down one more from the shelf. Anyway, let me fix this. This is why you should short green card, not red. Yeah. Yeah, I'm almost taken out from this. The account is gonna get blown in just a second. One more spike up and this is gonna get liquidated. Ba-da-dum-bum. I can't believe I'm still in this trade. Yeah, now it's over. All right. Account blown officially. I'm gonna go to the other account. Yeah, this account is still okay. So we didn't go down. This was a YOLO thingy. We didn't go down to 904. We went back to 70. No, it's not. It's not. It's Pip Ninja. Dude, I have no idea how to. Oh. I think I have it. Hold on. I have you. Try this. Oh, great. Finally. Finally. All right. I'm not going to do anything more crazy on this. I don't think I want to YOLO another account. So I'm just going to wait. Let's look at gold for seriously right now. Let's look at gold for seriously. This is a fake out up. All right. I'm gonna wait for, yeah, we're in the silver bullet hour, so most likely we will see something good. But in all seriousness, I will be looking for a proper setup. We're not in the luxury to YOLO accounts that much. All right, I see that. See your charts. Nice. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. So 97 on the cards now. Oh yeah. Wonder what's gonna happen now. I have a feeling that the 904 is gonna be tough right now on Friday to be taken out. It could have been just a fake out, you know, and you know this is over for today, and we're just gonna squeeze out everybody up there. That's why I'm looking for a proper long setup, maybe. But I would like to see a structure building up first, and then we will go from there. Yeah, so this was an interesting move from the market. Very, very, very interesting. If it goes higher, then the next stop would be at the 90s on the 15-minute time frame. Can go all the way to get some liquidity at 87. The high of the candle is 88.50. We'll see how it goes. Let's see if J-Ho is gonna be right this time. Just putting the pressure on you. Just kidding, you know, kidding. Let's ride. I'm short and J-Ho thinks the same, so I'll win. There you go. It's just statistics, nothing more. Look at that. Gold finally took that level out. I could not have entered this one because, you know, no retracement. Don't forget we have liquidity in a fair value gap up at 88. Everybody wanted to see the 904, I think so. Everybody wanted it. We have real structure shift on 5 minute. I hope it will go long last. Yeah, long last. For now, we're still going higher. That's why I said to the 90s. 15-minute gap. Look at that. It's gonna take liquidity from the 90s. Let's go. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm gonna stay put. I think I have an Apex account with... Yeah, it's almost at 52k, so I might gonna take a normal valid trade on that one. Still haven't decided. Where is it? Somewhere here. Yeah. They will have liquidity at 900. Yeah, that's true. Your concepts. All right, Sir Burnson. No problem. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I just read your message on Discord. Let's see what is gonna happen. Are we gonna go back to the 904s? I want to hear some opinions. Are we going back? I'm not gonna look at this on the 1 minute for a bit. Who knows? That's why I'm asking, who knows? I need an answer. I need the answer. Let's go, everybody. This was an interesting drop, by the way. Gold, I think gold made the lows. I'm just trying to look on Nasdaq. That is it going to form something here, or just gonna go straight down? We're going 97, 20.097. Could be, and you can drop like 200. Yeah, it could. RSI tells this. Yeah, it was pretty heavily overbought on the RSI. I know that. It was very, very, very heavily overbought. I was surprised even. Yeah, we're gonna wait. I mean, look at the 15-minute chart. We have liquidity. We have a fair value gap, not too far, like 20 points up. If it wants to pick up some of that liquidity, that can happen. But there's no real shift to the downside. I mean, you know. Just by close eyes, it's going for, well, we'll see that. By the way, don't forget, today is the last day for the Apex 90% sale. Sorry, Buleanox 90% sale. And Apex has $90 sale for all the big accounts, 150K, 250K, and 300K accounts. Check it out, $85 lifetime activation fee. Even for the 50K accounts, go for it. Check him out. Also no activation fee with Take Profit Trader. Actual RSI is higher than yesterday low. A lot of place. Yeah, that could happen. But by the way, look at that. We're almost, the high of this candle is 27. No, sorry, 88. It's just a few points. It should be grabbing that liquidity, and it just did. So ideally, this could be an area where it could go short, right? Not the perfect setup, I know. But we have also relative equal highs up there. Optimal trade entry is just being reached. I wonder if this one is going to, you know, just go lower a little bit, or is just going to ride higher, go lower than the retracement. Or is it going to pull back? I think it's gonna go higher. Still, it's very bullish. Who knows? Watching closely, but it's very bullish. We might gonna go back to the 20K or above the 20K level from here. And there she's gonna go. Come on, 20K. Yeah. Almost. No pullback to the 80s. Yeah, it's up there at 20K. Going higher. So I think the short is not playing out right now. $9.50 macro. I'm not in a trade. I'm just searching for a possible entry, by the way. How many winning and losing trade should have per day? How many winning and losing trade should have per day? Well, you know, if I would have 2 winners, I would stop for the day. And also because I have the risk reward greater than 1.5. But if I would have like 3 losses, then that would be the final stop for the day. 3 losses, you know, because 2 winners and 3 losses you know. But if I have 3 losses in a row for the day, especially on a funded account, I would stop. Bet you wish, of course I wish that, Don Totten. I wish that. That would be, look at that, Jesus. And it beautifully take out the previous day low right there. What a move from gold. What a move. Amazing, by the way. And that's what I'm saying, like, I think the gold move is done. I mean, what can you do on Friday? That's it. That was the move. That's all you can do. And as for Nasdaq, we went up to 20K. So take one hour. Trade 10 winning, 5 losing trades. Yeah, something like that. Something like that, but you can fine-tune it the way you like it. You can fine-tune that. So again, I'm still just waiting for a possible setup here, which didn't happen yet. Where's my calculator? I need to calculate some risk here. If this would turn direction. Actually, it's not valid on the 15 minutes, so I'm not jumping in anything. We almost took out everything. The one thing that's left is 904. Crazy how it went back up there. I think everybody wanted to see 904. So it just got manipulated all the way up. Reaction to the VWAP here. VWAP. The yellow line. And now, I don't know. Big question. Okay. Let's see. We still have time from the kill zone. So, I don't know. Relative equal highs, very tempting. We whoop. That's optimal entry for bear, but the move was strong. Hi there, Maverick. Yeah, the move was exceptionally strong. And if you look at the 5 minute, just zoom it out. What do you see? This is the question that everybody loves. You know, what do you see? Almost a beautiful entry. This is a long entry, people. If it would go down there, market structure shift, gap. What else do you want? It's beautiful. It's almost like a textbook entry. Almost. One for 915. I see. Trade no now. Let me see. Let me check this Buley. I have one more Buley account somewhere. Yeah, I have one. I don't want to YOLO it, but I think I have evaluation that has some profit on it. Yeah, I have it. All right. Still not in the trade yet. I don't know if I want to take it. Optimal trade entry. Still didn't go down there. Now it's down there. So this is the entry for longs. But I'm not in the trade. I'm gonna call it out. No, I'm not gonna call it out. I'm not in the trade. I'm not taking it, so this doesn't count. But this would be an optimal trade entry to go long right from here. Could be a good one. Could be a good one. Because we have relative equal highs up there. Going down. Is this the move to 904? I'm not in the trade, but is this the move to the 904s? It seems like it is. Look at this, damn it. No, I didn't. I didn't take it. I said it's looking good. It's at optimal trade entry. We had a gap. We had a small structure shift higher. We have relative equal highs. I didn't take it. I was hesitating, but no, because it's a little bit scary that we still have 904 down there, and I just don't like the way it looks like. Shorted 20k, took partial. Nice. Congratulations. That is how you do it. It's still valid, but I think it's gonna break the low. Look at it, how sharp and steep it went down. A little bit crazy, but it went down. Let's see what else is here. Just waiting still. It's a good long. Rings Nigs says it could go as a good long. I mean, it's valid, but it scares me a little bit. This candle scares me, but it looks good still. A little bit scary, but looks good. Still around optimal trade entry, so relative equal highs, good target. You know, let me put this here. It's a problem that it closed below. That's decreasing the chance for it to be a valid and a good trade. Look at that. Now it looks like it wants to go lower. Still waiting. I can call them, but I'm not sure if they're gonna take my call. You want me to call them? What should I tell them? What should I tell the market makers? I don't know. Richard the Beast says we will go up. Just to move up or down. Okay. Well, the thing is that gold is done. I think gold is done. That's it for gold for today. Maybe some move in the PM session, but this was the move. AM session is done for gold. That's it. As for Nasdaq, hard to say. ES is looking good too. I like the way ES looks like it. It took out the lows. OTE was down there. It's actually good. ES looks good. Relative equal highs up there. It's looking good for long, both on NQ and ES. Please tell them to pump gold. All right. Oh man. Oh, look at that. Now this is not a good trade. I would not be in this trade. Now it looks like we're coming back to the 904s. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What's it gonna be? Are we gonna go for 904? 40 points. It's happening. It could be happening. If this one closes somewhere here or below, it's gonna happen. Okay, it took out that low and it's not doing anything. What the hell is going on here? Keep my partial for 900. Let's see. Yeah. Now it looks like if it closes below there or even there, that's another good chance to take a short. Look at that. It's going. Let's see. What the hell is going on with my connection here? Okay, 30 seconds to wait for this 5-minute to close. That could mean a possible shift in market structure. I don't really want to trade on a 1 minute, but I do if I have to. I want to see this 904. I'm curious what's going to happen there. Let's see. No, I didn't, but the 150k now, that is something I'm looking to do. That has a sweet spot. So I have it. So guys, don't forget it. 40 bucks for 150k, 250k, or 300k account with an 85 bucks activation fee if you pass it. The best discount so far for this size accounts. Absolutely the best. Let's see. What's wrong with my BuleNox connection here? It's not updating the chart. I have to disconnect again. Maybe reconnect. Imagine make 50k on funded account. That's juicy. Oh yeah, that's juicy. Definitely. That's something I like. So by the way, there is no typical entries. I mean, no entry model on any of these swings, and you know, we have a structure shift here, which, as you can see, would have ended in a stop loss. So gold went down. This here was a good trade on gold. I'm gonna mark this that we have taken this. This was a good one. I like that. Just before the open. That was a good trade. Fast. To the point, you know. Okay, this is the waiting game right now. Still some time from the kill zone. Alright, now it's going down again. Look at that. What is wrong with my Buleanox connection? What to do, right? Please, if you haven't already, push the like button. Help out the stream. Come on. Just with the like. One single like. You can do it. We can all do it. It's up to us. It's up to you. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my god. I mean, Nasdaq has been turned off again. I just don't know why. I don't know why. I'll try to log into Rhythmic and find out what's happening. Let's go. Am I gonna have to disconnect? All right. Consolidation phase, maybe. Yeah, that could be the case. All right. Finally. What is this? This is not all my accounts. So many connections. Jesus. I have the ones that... the evals. I have fundeds. I have everything. All right. Yeah, I know I have two evaluations that failed. I have 2 funded and 1 that is active, and at least it should be active. But it's not active yet. I don't know why. So it's working, alright. That's a good thing. Oh really? I was having connection issues at Buleanox. Now Buleanox never really has issues, but on my end right now it had, but it seems like everything should be in place. There's connection error. Anyway, I'll try to reconnect again. Oh, look at this gold. Gold, gold, gold. I'm not gonna try gold again because this was the move. If I were one contract on 50k and 150k, both use the same. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Sopham. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's correct. This is gonna be, you just have to, you know, there's a setting in Quanthour like multiplier. So if you set it to 1, it's always going to be the same contract, same size of contract. Make sure that the multiplier is on 1. Oh man, this is the waiting phase. What can we do? Gold could be going lower. Look at that. Now the thing is, and that's a little disturbing me. I mean, this trade could have been a good long position. I didn't take it, but still, it still disturbs me that if I would have taken it, it was such a good setup. It still went down. On the other hand, well, there was nothing here. I still like the relative equal highs up there. So I'm not all that married to the idea that we're gonna go to 904. If we would make a structure shift, now that would be, yeah, going up, Maverick. I mean, I would like the idea to go up there to the 20044 levels. Anyway. We're waiting. There's a latency issue. I might have to restart Quant. I'm gonna restart Quanthour. Active orders? Jesus. Oh my god. I'm gonna cancel that. Okay. I have to restart Quanthour. That's the... Until then, we are seeing a potential structure shift again. I do like that. I do like that. All right, let me log in again. Still 1 minute 35 seconds. Oh well. What's the time? Kill zone is almost over. Maybe during lunchtime we will have something. Not sure. Or could the PM session hold a rally? Maybe. All right, let's go. Shifting higher. Hey, cute pets and animals. How long does it take for the Apex website to confirm your payment for your activation fee and for you? Once it took me 5 minutes or less, maybe 2 minutes. And also I had, like, when I was waiting for at least 1 day for 24 hours. So I can't tell you. Once there was so fast, I paid the activation fee and I got the funded account in like a minute. So it was automatic. Got whacked today. What happened? There you go, recouped a bit. What happened, Jacques? I mean, this one was very tricky. Bad entry. Yeah. This one was definitely very tricky. I like this here. If I zoom it out, let me check one more on gold. So if I zoom this out, let me check on ES too. Yeah, it's not bad. Could be good for a possible long entry on Nasdaq. Let me try something real quick. I might gonna have a possible long position, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to take it. Target the equal highs up there. Still need some time to close. If it's going to close this gap, it's not valid. There you go. It's not going to be valid. Okay, never mind. This is not a valid trade. If anything, it could just go down again. How about that? Yeah, it's been a day. It took to 20K. Should I re-enter? I don't know, because I don't know what's your entry model. I mean, the 20K rejected price pretty good as far as we see this correctly, but so now, since this is not a valid long entry, we're below the VWAP. This one can go lower, maybe. Don't know. Really have to be careful what to do here because it's Friday. I don't want to mess up my Friday. I had some good trades on the funded accounts. Of course, I blown that BULENOX account, but that's not a deal. I don't care about that. This was an evaluation account, but I'm very happy for the trades on the fundeds. For this, I don't know. Still wondering if the 904 is in play right now or not. Now it seems like it might want to go lower, but no. I don't think I'm going to trade it. End of the kill zone. Almost. 5 minutes. Guys, I think I'm going to cut it here. It's just no use to force anything. Maybe it will go down, but I've done some good profits on the funded accounts. I'm very, very, very satisfied with today. I'm actually super happy. One of the best days in funded. So thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Subscribe and like the stream. I'm not touching it. Oh yeah, Jacques. And if you would like to support the channel, please use my codes and links. That keeps me here being full-time. Thank you. Today is the last day at BULENOX. Use the code TOPSTEP1 for option 1 accounts. Last day for 90%. I would say stack up a few accounts for next week, right? So thanks again. You guys are great. Have a great weekend, and see you guys Monday in the London session. Recharge the batteries. All right. Cheers, everybody. See you on Monday. Bye bye.